Hello and welcome. My name is Terra Nova Tech, and I'm going to be generating one of these projects right now in the next 3 minutes. So let's run this program here. It will generate a random game here, and we'll hit enter. And it's asking me for a friend bot. Okay, cool. So we're going to go over to main.py, and we're going to make a friend bot. So let's see. A definition of bot, and we're going to pass in a name and maybe like favorite food or something. And from there, so the bot will know your name and your favorite food, and it can greet you accordingly. So we will say print hello, and then we'll say name, exclamation point, and then maybe like a new line. My name is bot 2.0, and I know that your favorite food is favorite food. Exclamation point, because it's very happy. And so all we have to do is call this bot and pass in a name. So we'll say input, or I guess we'll store the inputs into two separate variables. So we'll just say A and B. So A is input, and then we'll ask for the user's name. And we will do the same input for, oh my gosh, I can't type today. For the fave food. Okay, and now we'll pass in A and B here when we call the bot, and it should print all of that back. So let's take a look. Let's run it. Actually, let's run it here in terminal. Looks a little nicer. Whoops. We want main.py. Okay, name Anthony. Favorite food. Avocado. That's not true, but I'm just putting it in there. Okay. We didn't put an F string in there. F. That should fix that. And it doesn't look like I spelled that properly. Okay, let's try that again. Python main.py. Python main.py. Anthony. Avocado. Hello, Anthony. My name is bot 2.0, and I know that your favorite food is avocado. Let's go.